How to download and install Microsoft Access. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application on your device and then just search for the application of Microsoft Access. Just type on the search bar Microsoft Access and scroll down. You can see the option Microsoft 365 Office. Now you can see the option of install, so tap on install. Now wait until it gets installed on your device. Make sure that your internet connection is stable as well. Now after getting installed, tap on open and it will lead you to the home page of the application. Then you can sign in with email or phone, or you can also create one for free. Here I'm signing in with email or phone, and it will lead you to this page where you have to enter your login credentials. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.